Now let us see an example choreography script for the poem Another Woman. Choreography script for the poem Another Woman. This is the poem which we have already seen in 10th standard. The poem, it is Another Woman. So as we have to give the complete poem, just I have given you the complete poem here. Now let us see the choreography script. Another Woman by Imtiaz Thakkar. So as per as the future concern, the first one, name of the poem, a title of the poem, Another Woman by Imtiaz Thakkar. Second feature, the theme of the poem. Here the theme is as follows: the hardships of a woman as a homemaker at her in-laws home, the unfriendly relationship between the woman and her mother-in-law and husband. Just we have seen the theme here. So here there is a woman, she is a homemaker at her in-laws home. Here we can see unfriendly relationship between the woman and her mother-in-law and husband. Instances of the theme: came home, faced her mother-in-law's dark looks. So from where she has come from the vegetable market after purchased fresh vegetables. When she has arrived home, by seeing the vegetables in the when she has come home, when she has arrived to home, her mother-in-law's dark looks made her fear. The usual words came and beat their wings against her. So usually mother-in-law used to scold or beat her. The same thing happened even now also. Now locations. Another important feature is locations. We have seen in the poem that is first a woman went to market to purchase the vegetables. So the market. Second one, she has come back to home and she was preparing a food, or she was preparing meal for the family in the kitchen. So we have seen two places, two locations, the market and the kitchen. Now characters. The woman, it is the main character, the chief character in the poem. Her mother-in-law, the chorus for setting the location, the vegetable vendors, 2 or 3 people at the market, 6 to 8 performers to set the different locations. 6 to 8 performers to set the different locations. Sequence of actions. Scene 1. The chorus enters and creates the setting of a market, because we have to feel it is really happening. The chorus enters and creates the setting of a market. 2 vegetable vendors sit on the ground and selling vegetables to show that it is a marketplace. A person buys vegetable, that person is the woman. 2 or 3 people enter the market and exit, because many people will come to purchase vegetables, and after purchasing vegetables they leave from the place. So to show that theme, 2 or 3 people enter a market and exit the market. Then the woman enters. She chooses vegetables and bargains with the vendor. She collects vegetables and exits. All performers exits because in this first scene we have seen a marketplace and people who are coming to market to purchase vegetable, and we have seen vendors. In the same way we have seen woman entered. She chosen the vegetables and she left the marketplace. Now we can see scene 2. The chorus enters the stage and pose themselves in such a way that a visual effect of a house is created. So here we can see a visual effect of house because we need a kitchen room. The woman enters from outside. The mother-in-law comes from indoors and scolds the woman for her purchase because she has come from the marketplace. She purchased fresh methi and fresh radish. So by seeing that, mother-in-law felt woman has spent much more money on vegetables, and it is as usual part to scold her. So by seeing that, immediately mother-in-law scolds the woman. The mother-in-law commands the woman to cook fast. She keeps the pot on the stove. The woman cuts vegetables. The mother-in-law comes near and scolds the woman. All performers exit the stage. So by this the second scene will be finished. Okay, then we have completed. Just to show the theme, the message. So women should be treated equally as men. Everyone must bring awareness in the society about the value of women. Either male or female, human feelings are same. Or you can write on your own, domestic violence should be banned. Domestic violence should be prohibited. Okay, then harassment of women should be prohibited. Harassment of women should be treated as a crime. Domestic violence should be treated as crime. So as you feel, you can give message on your own which touches the minds of the readers and which touches the hearts of all the audience. So by the end of the choreography, they have to feel and they have to understand the theme what we are going to form. That's what this is, an example choreography for you.